you like the video, make sure to subscribe and like. Come in. Oh, it's you! I wasn't expecting you for another 15 minutes. Well, better early than late. Since you're here now, we can get you in for that extra time. But of course, I have to take care of my regulars, you know. Plus, you're my favorite customer. I have to give you those extra perks to make sure you keep coming back. What? You didn't know? I thought I told you at least once. Not only does your body fit so well around my coils, you barely move at all. I'm so sick of humans struggling and screaming when I just apply light pressure. Honestly, wrapping you in my coils is quite relaxing. My break away from break. Well, enough about me. How have you been? It's been 2 weeks? You come here quite often. I wonder what brings you here at such a rate. Ah, that's not good. Maybe we should work on your posture while you're here? Sitting for hours on end, hunched over a screen like that, isn't healthy for your spine. You say that every time, but you still keep coming back. As much as I enjoy our bi weekly conversations, I would much rather see you healthier. You will reach out to me even when you don't need my services, will you? Good, good. Now, arms up. Let's get started. You ready? How does that feel? Can you still breathe all right? All right. We'll start with one constriction. Take a deep breath with me. All right. One, two, three. How does that feel? We got a good few cracks there, didn't we? Here, take another deep breath with me. Relax those muscles. There we go. Does your body feel looser? If you don't mind, let me check something. Just as I suspected. I feel quite a few knots around your shoulders and back. Your triceps are quite tense as well. Would you like a massage as well? Well, I'm not a licensed massage therapist, but I do have a bit of experience. How about this? We'll give it a try, and if you don't like it, just tell me. I won't charge you extra for this, so there's no need to worry. Wonderful. Now let me just uncoil a bit so I can reach your lower back. Well, I can't completely free you from my coils. I have to keep you bound to me somehow. Now, let's get to the massage. Take a deep breath for me. Does that feel all right? I must admit, it's been a bit since I've offered to give a massage to a client. Usually, if I like a client, I'd offer for them to stay in my coils for a bit. A lot of them seem to like it quite often. Yes, yourself included. I've given you more extra sessions than anyone else. I haven't squeezed anyone other than you for a while now. Well, beyond what people pay me, at least. I wasn't lying when I said you were my favorite customer. You've always been so easy to talk to. I feel like I have to be stiff and professional with everybody else. With you, I can be myself. Yeah, yeah, laugh it up. The chiropractor has to be stiff. I just don't like how sterile everything has to be. Good conversation is hard to come by in this job, if you can believe it. Yeah, whenever I try, everyone just shuts it down past pleasantries and small talk. I think people are still intimidated by me. Well, of course they would. Monster girls are still fairly new to human society. One thing I've learned about humanity in the time I've been here is that they're not really receptive to change. Yeah, a few of my friends have told me they're experiencing similar things. At least they have the decency to be polite, but it's mostly just superficial. Like, we have human friends, but oftentimes the relationship, it really isn't that deep. Hold on. I think there's still some stiffness here that I can fix with a couple quick squeezes. Here, arms up. Let me just wrap you up again. All right, deep breath. That felt good, didn't it? Well, we got a few loose ends to tie up, so I hope you're ready. What? No, that pun doesn't even fit in this context. I'm not tying you up, I'm binding you in my coils. There's a big difference there. Now, deep breath. There, I think that should be all of them. You feel a lot more relaxed in my coils. I could let go of you, but I don't really think I want to. Well, I've taken a liking to you, to a point where one could call my feelings unprofessional. Well, as I was saying before your spine so rudely interrupted me, I feel like you really put in a lot of effort into getting to know me. You don't just ask how my day was or how I'm doing, you ask about my hobbies, my favorite foods, and even my favorite color. I can't even remember the last time someone asked me that. But what really made me like you, well, I knew that you were afraid of me at first too. When I first coiled around you, I felt you tense up. I felt your body shake as I tightened my coils around you. But despite that, you faced your fears and still made an effort to form a bond with me. You were willing to keep your heart and mind open for me, and you learned that we have a lot more in common than most people think. We have likes and dislikes, we have hobbies, and we feel just like you. And right now, I think I'm feeling an attraction towards you. I know that this is hardly the place for it, but I needed to get these feelings out, and I couldn't find a better time for it. We've been seeing each other for a while, and I thought that it would be okay to say it here. If you feel uncomfortable at all, please just let me know. I will let you go immediately, and we can forget this ever. Are Are you sure? As much as I want this to happen, I know interspecies relations aren't that well received by society yet, and I wouldn't want you to. Yeah, as long as we love each other, then everything will be alright. If it's okay, can I kiss you? Ah, that's a rather direct answer. I'll accept it nonetheless. Well, if it isn't too much trouble, then would you like to go out for dinner sometime? Mm, that's a good question. Let me let you in on a little secret. I cleared my schedule for the rest of the day. Well, I figured if things went well, we could go on a date after our appointment. If things didn't, well, I had some lava cake and some sappy movies prepared just in case. Right now? I don't think so. I'm feeling a little too comfortable having you wrapped up with me. Oh, I didn't know you had any left. I don't think it matters if that's how it works out or not. What matters is that I have you here with me now, and I don't feel like letting go. I love you too, darling. I can't wait to explore more unprofessional experiences with you too.